Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the question number 6 from the exercise number 6.1 in the chapter integer. So we are going to the question 6. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? So here the question says the given pairs, so we can find which number is right to the other integer in a number line. So we can go to the question. So first the given pair is 2 and 9. So first of all we can plot a number line. Then we can find which integer is right to the other. Right? So we can plot a number line. Then this is your number line. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is your number line. Then, so first of all you can check the given pairs which number is bigger. So here we have two numbers 2 and 9. That two numbers, which one is bigger? That is obviously 9 is the bigger integer. So that bigger number is right to the small number. That is the rule behind the integer in a number line. So we can see we can check in the number line the statement is correct or not. So the 9 is here. So we can see 9 here and then 2 is here. So 9 is the bigger number. So we can see the 9 is right to the small number, that is 2. So we can see the right side of the 2 is here, right, and this is left of 2. So we can see 9 is the bigger number, so it is present on the right side of the 2. So we can see in the number line. So how this is the way how we can solve the which number is right to the other number. Coming to B part, the given pairs are minus 3 and minus 8. So first of all we can draw a number line. Okay, here we got two negative integers, so we can plot more negative integers in the number line. So here we can put 0, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and minus 8. Here 1 and 2. Okay. So here we can see the minus 3 and here minus 8. So the question says which number is right to the others. You know that the bigger number is right to the smaller number. That rule is applied in this question, right? So one more rule is there. What is that? That is the going from or moving from 0 to left side of the number line, the value of negative integer become decreased. Okay, become decreased. The value of the negative integers decreased. So minus 3 is so near to 0 and minus 8 is so as far as from the 0 as compared to minus 3, right? So we can identify minus 3 is bigger number, right? And minus 8 is smaller as compared to minus 3. Okay, so we got the bigger number, and also we can see the smaller number is minus 8, that bigger number is minus 3. So minus 3 is right to the minus 8. So minus 8, this is the right side of minus 8. Okay. So minus 3 is present on the right side of the minus 8. So the answer is minus 3 is right to minus 8. Because what is the reason? Because minus 3 is the bigger number and minus 8 is the smaller number. So always the bigger number is right to the smaller number. So the answer is here minus 3 is right to minus 8. Okay children. Coming to C part, the given pairs are 0 and minus 1. Okay. Then first of all, we can plot a number line here. Then 0, minus 1 and minus 2. Here 1 and 2. Okay. So the given pairs, the numbers are minus 1 and 0. And minus 1 is here and 0 is here. You know that a negative integer is always smaller than 0. So obviously 0 is right to the minus 1. Right children? So here we can see minus 1 is smaller because that is a negative integer. Right? So the smaller number, the right side of the smaller number is here and this is left. This is right and this is left. So 0 is present on the right side of the minus 1. So the answer is 0 is right to the minus 1. Okay. Coming to D part, the given pairs are minus 11 and 10. So first of all we can plot a number line. So here number line, this is 0, 1 and 2, 3, etc. to 10. Then 1, minus 2, minus 3 and then we can reach on minus 11. Okay. So first of all we can identify which number is bigger. So the given pairs, minus 11 is a negative integer and 10 is a positive integer. So we have no doubt because a negative integer is always bigger than a negative integer. So we can see the 10 is a bigger number, right? Because that is a positive integer, minus 11 is smaller. So the bigger number is right to the smaller number in a number line. So the bigger number is 10. 10 is present on the right side of the smaller number, that is minus 11. This is the right side of minus 11. That is a smaller number. Okay. So we can easily identify 10 is right to minus 11. So the answer is 10 is right to minus 11. Okay children? Because 10 is the bigger number, minus 11 is the smaller number as compared the given pair. Okay. So the bigger number is always right to the smaller number. So that rule satisfied by this given pair and 10 is right to minus 11. Let me go to the question number E. Okay. First of all, plot a number line. So this is your number line. Okay. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. This is the number line. Okay. So the given pairs, the numbers are minus 6 and 6. So once again we can see the same thing in the above question, right? So one is the negative integer, other one is positive integer. So obviously which one is bigger? So 6 is the bigger one, that is the positive integer. Okay children, 6 is bigger one and minus 6 is smaller integer. Okay, then the rule is the bigger number or integer is right to the smaller one. Okay, so obviously 6 is present on the right side of the minus 6. In this number line, this is minus 6. This is the right side of minus 6. So we can go from here to go this way. We can reach on 6. Okay. So the bigger number, that is 6, is present on the right side of the minus 6. That is the smaller integer. So the answer is 6 is right to minus 6. Okay. Coming to F. Okay. The given pairs are 1 and minus 100. So we can see one is a positive integer, other is a negative integer. So we can easily identify which one is bigger. So here the positive integer is 1, that is the bigger number, and minus 100 is the negative integer, so that is the smaller one. Okay, before that I'll plot a number line here. This is number line. This is 0, then 1 and 2, then 3. Then here minus 1, minus 2, then go to minus 100, right? So firstly we can identify that which one is bigger number. So 1 is the bigger number, bigger integer. Okay, minus 100 is the smaller integer. Okay, then we can easily say that what the bigger number, that is the 1, is right to the smaller number, that is minus 100. We can check. Okay, first here we can see the minus 100 and this is 1. So we already said it, minus 100 is smaller. So that smaller numbers, that is minus 100, right side is here. Okay, we can go from here to there. We can reach on the 1. That is the right side of minus 100. So 1 is present, that is the bigger number is present on the right side of the minus 100. So the answer will be 1 is right to minus 100. So this way, how we can solve the given pairs of numbers, which number is right to the other. One thing you always remember, the bigger number will be right to the smaller number of the given pairs. Thank you children. Thank you for watching.